Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Blue Daffodil Seed in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get the Blue Daffodil Seed, you'll need to use the flower breeding system. The required combination is the black daffodil and also the peach daffodil. Simply plant the black daffodil and the peach daffodil next to each other in your garden. After that, water them as usual and wait for the breeding result. If you're lucky, they'll produce a blue daffodil seed like this. Okay, I got the blue one from the combination of black daffodil and black daffodil. And keep in mind that flower breeding is orangey based, so you might not get the blue daffodil on your first try. Just keep breeding the same combination until it appears. And that's it. That's how you can get the Blue Daffodil Seed in Heartopia Call of Whales event. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.